Hi guys, this is the mid-level no symbol supports chapter 4 for the April monthly. We're going to go ahead and read it. What happened to my paycheck? Keisha gets paid today. She worked 24 hours. She earns $10 an hour. She should get a paycheck for $240. Keisha wants to save $200 for her goal, but something is wrong. Her paycheck is only $190.61. What could have happened to Keisha's paycheck? What do you guys think happened? Do you think she forgot to clock in? Or maybe forgot to clock out? What do you think? Let's find out. Some of the money goes to the government. It is for taxes and benefits. People pay tax to the government. It is used to get things done. Oh, so that's where her money went. She had to pay taxes. Everybody that gets a paycheck pays taxes. Keisha's mother looks at the paycheck. It shows the hours she worked. The paycheck shows how much she earned. It lists taxes for federal and state. Taxes pay for many things. Taxes pay for roads, police, and schools. So everybody that works, they get taxes taken out, and it will cover helping support the army, the police officers, repairing and maintaining roads, building new roads, and it also helps fund schools. How we're learning today. Our school district got money and grants and things from the government so we could do e-learning and one-on-one devices. We all pay a tax while we work. We get some money back many years later. We pay a tax to help pay doctors to help older people. Keisha does not like to pay taxes, but she is glad they pay for things she uses. She uses schools and roads, so maybe she likes paying them after all. Keisha opens a savings account. She puts most of her money in it. Keisha is working hard toward her goal. Now, if you remember in the previous chapter, her goal was an apartment. So that's it. Make sure you log into the module and answer the questions. Have a great day, you guys. We miss you.